Hi all, and welcome back to your channel. So I'm back at Bramley Moore for a update on Everton Stadium. So I'm going to have a little fly around. I'm not going to go all the way around the ground today. It's a bit windy, and a few of the lads have reported loss of signal once going round to the west stands. As looking at the ground now, this is the highest point it's going to be now, apart from the barrel roof and some cladding going on. This is pretty much the height of the ground now, and it's quite high. So if the drone goes round to the west stands, you've got to keep the drone really high. You can't drop it down much lower than 120 without losing sight of it. So I'm not going to go round the west side today. I'm going to have a little look around. The reason why I've come down is because the Queen Mary 2's docked into Liverpool today. It's one of the biggest cruise ships in the world. So I'm going to have a little look at that from where I am and a little look around the grounds. Okay, so what I am going to try and do is get high and look down onto the pitch, okay, and see if there's any work going on. So I'm going to get some height. So let's have a look at the... Oh, I can't see down there, can I? And, what can I? Is that it? Yeah, there she is there. The size of her, she's massive. I don't know what time she's leaving. I'm going to try and get footage of her sailing down the Mizzy. Sailing down the River Mersey. That's what happens when you try and rush your words. Yeah, so I'll try and get footage there. I'm going to try and get some photographs as well from a better angle. So yeah, I'll come back to the Queen Mary 2 in a bit. I'll just have a little look around the ground first. So there's some guys on the top of the roof here. I just want to see what they're doing. I didn't focus first, did I? I just saw the orange jackets. There they are there. Alright, they're leaving now. Must have seen me in here. And there's that guy with the zoom. Yeah, there's some yellow jackets about up there, but right, I'll leave them to it. They're on the left hand side, the yellow jackets. So let's have a look at the attenuation tank while I'm here. Is this one called an attenuation tank like the one at Anfield? I assume it will be. That's been filled in a lot more now, look at all that. So I assume that when that's all done and plumbed in, whatever they need to do to it, they will stick the road over it, I take it. Yeah, getting some strong wind warnings on my drone, so I'm not gonna... I know, yeah, what I will do is I'll zoom in on the terrace in here, because it's all complete down this side now. And in my last video I said that all the terracing's nearly complete. I meant along the upper tiers. I did get corrected by a lot of people saying the lower tiers are complete. So all that is complete along there, you can see. So we'll go around this side first and I'll bring it back round. So let me get some height on this corner here. I want to zoom down and have a look at the pitch. I want to have a good look around here. So what's this work going on here? Does anyone know? Can let me know please, because I don't know. Oh yeah, there's that wonder what the shadow was waving on the floor. It's that flag in it that marks out the centre spot. I'll tell you what, let me get a I'll get a close up on that. I don't know if that's the same flag that they put in when they did it. I'm sure it was a blue one, wasn't it? But there's a white one there. And that marks out the centre spot of when the pitch is laid. Okay. Let's go and have a look at that. The stands. The terracing over there. So you get some scale of size there with the guy in the orange there. But what it's doing is quite bright today, even though it is windy. So I'm seeing also on yeah, you can just get a scale of size there. Let's go right along it. There's some more people there. Chilling. Looks like there's going to be plenty of space between the seats as well, which would be good. I want to try and... So while I am here, I'm going to take some photographs as well of the Queen Mary. I want to see how close round I can get. Okay, so I said I'm not going around the back of the stand, which I'm not. I'm quite out wide because I want to try and get this shot. Oh, there she is. So I'm just gonna come back around because I want to get the. I'm not gonna get the boat on the ground in the same shot because the building's in the way. Might get a copyright strike for the loud music from the car. No, I won't. Literally only a couple of seconds. You're getting some strong wind warnings again. Which I know it's strong because the drone's going really slow coming back to me. Okay, so I've just brought the drone back to me and lowered it a touch because it's getting a touch windy up there, so I'm going to stay out wide here. Yeah, it's getting really windy up there. I've got a good altitude here. So it doesn't feel that windy on the ground, but I'm getting wind warnings on the drone. So I've got to trust the software. So I'm going to have a little look along here. Let's just jump in a touch. There we go. When it's less windy, I'll be back, get around the other side and we can have a good look at this stand here. So, see what these guys are up to down here. It's getting a bit windy down here now as well, so obviously discussing the next plan of action. Oh, let's have a look at the ship from here. Right, so I'm going to end that there, guys. It's short but sweet, but I'm not going to risk these high winds. Okay, so it's a little bit of something there, and I'll be back when it's less windy. Okay, so thanks for watching. I'll speak to you all soon. Okay, look after yourselves. Bye now.